Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your OPPO A53 2020, at the first you have to open your calendar. Next, let's swipe like that, right here, then go for a December, and let's pick up maybe this one, and click right here when you choose the day, go for the event, at the first add the title. And when we are here, we can also change the day of our event, so don't worry about that. And we can also customize other things, like we can add the location, we can add notification, we can make a description about our event, or even change the default of the calendar. If you set up everything, you have to tap on the right upper corner on the save button, and as you can see, here we got our event. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.